All right, gentlemen, here's an update for you. Oh, another long session, but this was a good one overall. I'll tell you. It's been a pretty good week for tool acquisition. I'll tell you one thing. Maybe if I had to pick one thing to get for Christmas and my birthday for the rest of my life, be this thing right here. Came to me courtesy of someone in Japan. Say what you will about the Japanese. They do some amazing things. I have been looking for something like this, oh, man, for as long as I've been back into audio production. It emulates 15 different op-amp chips, such as are found in a wide variety of big console desks, as well as capacitors, different types of capacitors. And it does it extremely well. I mean, it's unreal. I'm having too many hardware issues to give you a proper A/B right now. I will endeavor to do that as soon as I can. You wouldn't believe it. Just I don't even know how to describe it to you. It glues things together in a way. It provides this coherence to the sound without any loss of detail. Smoothness and cohesion without any loss of detail at all. It's unbelievable. So this thing was a big part of the sound of this master. This one being Watch It Burn. I'm not saying it's finished yet. It's been a long session, and I'm not going to say that my ears are shot right now, but I do need to take a break, run some translation checks, see how I feel about it through different systems and in the car, of course. It may take another session or half a session. Unless you object to it for whatever reason, this to me has a really it's just a dead ringer for a certain type of 70s sound. It's very much that outlaw country sound to me, but with more space. It's bigger. I'm really tired, and I should probably just go ahead and play it. As always, hope you all are doing well, and things are beginning to pick up here. I was telling Brian that I started, until fairly recently, I was working on a album of acoustic arrangements, and then that changed. Okay, we're doing the full band thing. So I started with the songs that I thought were going to require the most work, and so I anticipate that it's going to go more quickly as I move into the second half of the album. That's my expectation anyway. All right, so I need to get some sleep before I get up to go do my kung fu training. So I'm gonna shut up and hit play. I look forward to hearing what you think, and God bless.
Civil War.